Hey guys, today we want to look at something else. We're going to look at what do you call it, checkboxes and option button. Now, before we do that, we want to design something using these checkboxes and option buttons. But we need to know what's a checkbox. First of all, a checkbox can be used in a form to select a particular option. For example, you can click here and put your checkbox here like this. So this is our checkbox. When you run this, you can check it like that. So that's our checkbox. And before we do that, I want us to talk about something else. We have something here at the toolbox here called the frame. Now this frame acts as a container. I want us to use this frame as a container such that we'll be having our checkboxes inside one container, so it holds these checkboxes. Now let us have our container here. So that is our container like that. Now this container tool can the name can be changed, like let us call it checkboxes. Checkboxes, such that I take my tool, the checkbox tool, and I put it here. For example, I want to have maybe 3 checkboxes that you can select to perform a particular action. For example, I want one checkbox to maybe underline my text. So this is for underline. That is for underline. Then we have another checkbox, maybe this is for bold, such that when I click on it, my text will be bold, like that. Then we have the last one, maybe let us have italic. So this check 3 is italic, like that, so that now when I run my project like this, so this is underline, this is bold, this is italic. So you see that when we check or click on the checkbox and another checkbox, it does not deselect like the option button. So this one checks all of them. So now let us put a text box here so that we can have some string of text here. So text, so that when you run like this, you click underline, the text will be underlined. When you click bold, the text will be boldened. When you click italic, the text in here will be italic. So let us go to the code window so that we have something text coming there. So let us go to form. So when this form loads, let it have this words text1 text is equals to Kisiwa Technical Institute. We want, when we run this text will appear, so like that. So when we run like this, so we have Kisiwa Technical Institute. So we want, when we click here, the text will be underlined. When you click bold, the text will be boldened. When you click italic, the text will be italicized. Now how do you put that code here? So we go that check 1, so we go to the code window, then look at the first check 1 is underlined, so you come here and click check 1. So when you click on check 1 underscore click, now it will underline. So just say text 1 dot font underline text1.font underline is equals to check one dot value, like that. So again, you come to check 2, you've said check 2 is bold, so you just say text1 dot font bold is equals to check 2 dot value, like that. So you go to check 3. Check 3 is italic, so click check 3, and text1 dot font italic is equals to check 3 dot value, like that. So that is the code. So when you run this like that, underline, it has underlined. When you click bold, oops, we need to maybe check on that. Let me see. When you click italic, does it work? Yeah, it works, but bold does not work. So let us check on it, see what's the problem. Text1. Okay, so we missed a K here. Check. Yeah. So when you run this, underline, so it underlines. Bold, it makes it bold. Then italic, it makes it italic. So that's how we use the checkbox. I want you to remember that we have used a container called the frame, where it holds all the tools that we have put together. A good thing, an important thing to remember is that when you click on checkboxes, it does not deselect the other, like the option button, as we are going to be seeing in our next lesson. So guys, let us meet up in our next lesson as we talk about the option button.